number 4 receiver pass to Bizdo. Bizdo ngayon, Bizdo pa rin. 10-second shot clock. Sabi na set in the play, crossing ilalim. Down to 5 seconds. Good. 15-60, 1 minute 4. Stop the clock. Last 1 minute. Exactly. Stop the clock, ha? Basket time. Oh, basket ano tayo? Stop yan. 55 seconds. Stop and a long three. Bang! 63-58. Umulan ng tres para sa pula. 19 Bizda. 50 seconds. Lalayo sa limo. Binigay number 3. Pick it across. Number 4 Silva. 44 seconds. Stop at sumayaw. Drive. Fire. There's a no basket pero may pito, sir. Was that up kanina? 2. Penalty po. Tatlo ka na, sir. Penalty po tayo. 41 seconds. Okay, connect. Jumper ready. 59-63. Next game. Mag-ready na kayo. AHG versus the JMG. 41 seconds. Second try. Okay, connect. 60-63. 41 seconds. Laxon, here it comes. Laxon, 20 shot clock. Okay, 33 seconds. 33 seconds. 33 seconds. 33 seconds. 33 seconds. Down to 30 seconds. Silva to Wando. Wala. Rebound number 12. Pick it up Poyer. Basket is no. 24 seconds. Foul. Give it on number. Penalty rep. 58 Biray. Warning for graduate, sir. Warning for graduate ni Sir Biray. 24 seconds po tayo. Sige, sir. Sir, kadwa. Mr. Season. Kadwa po. Kadwa mo muna. Kadwa. Okay, kadwa. Pwede kasi yung first basket eh. Under 2 minutes. Good. Okay, jumper ready. Rep. Convert timeout po tayo. Convert timeout sa pangalawa. Wala. Good ball. Tuwanyo. Timeout. Deadlock. Timeout. Red.